Would you look at this? Seiko, Seiko, Seiko. Everywhere you go, Seiko. Yeah. What's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross, and we are back once again with another shoe unboxing. As you can see, the Nike Just and the D or whatever. We gonna go ahead and unbox this joint. We gonna see what the hell we working with right now. It is also extremely hot out here in these Cincinnati streets. Boy, I'm telling you, tell you the truth. I mean, it's hot. Okay, let's see what's up. Let's get into it, yo. Let's get into this shit. Wham. Okay, we got here is a Jordan box. Then we have the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Electro Orange. Black, Electro Orange, Blanc, and Nori, 11.5, my size. So let's go ahead and take this joint out and see what's up. Before I show these, let me sneak that one out right quick. Before I show these, it just got the regular Jordan 23 paper in it. It is hot out here, y'all. Hold on. Yes, it is definitely burning up out this piece. Look at that little lightning bug. But anyway, it's definitely burning up out here, y'all, for sure, in these Cincinnati streets. But here we go. Look at that right there. Look, hold on. I'm getting the car. Got that from my boy Omar, you know what I'm saying? Yo, shout out to O. Yo. Hello? Who this? Word? I'm coming through, all right? We coming through. See the inside. Got the Jumpman on the inside. Of course, the Air Jordan wings on here. Yo, these things are extra dope. I love the orange stitching on the outside of the white swoosh. Man. And the orange is like it's glowing. Can't you see that? Can't you see that? See how dope that is. You know. Here's the other one. Bang. Check them out. There they is. Yes, sir. Jordan 1 Mids. Electric orange. You know what I mean? That colorway is dope. To me anyway. You know what I mean? So, you know, we're going to get a couple more shots in there, let y'all check them out. So just stand by, all right?